I will. Hey guys, today we will be doing an inspired look by Tina Woods. I'll be recreating the look that she did in like her video that she posted recently called I Play with Dollar Store Makeup. I want to do that look because it looked really pretty and I was inspired, so I'm going to do that. And if Tina comes across this video, I just want her to know that I love her and she's amazing and she's funny as fuck. This is for you. Now let me just zoom y'all in, shall I? Nope, wrong way. Still don't know how to work with the camera. Okay, there you go. You're all close to my face now. Hey, what's up? So to do that, I'm going to be going in with multiple palettes. I'll try to go in with just like 2, but obviously we're going to be using the Morphe 35B. We'll see what else we use, but just we're starting off with this, okay? This is our go-to. We're going to take the darkest shade of blue, this one. I already packed some on the brush. Excuse me. Who is texting me? And we're going to take that eyeshadow and just put that in the crease. This brush might be too big, whatever. And I'm just going off like what I remember it looking like, so it might not turn out at all like what she had, but just know it's a thought that counts, okay? And then with the little fluffy circular brush, we're gonna go in with these 2 shades and then just going on top of that to like soften those edges. Too much. Taking most of it off. I'm actually gonna even out the other side. Excuse me, hair, please get out of my way. Someone's coming.
Hey, we're going to Red Lobster today.
What?
Family dinner.
Who's that?
Me.
So I took some black and blue from the Morphe palette and I'm just gonna focus that right there, I guess, and just kind of place it, you know, because that's like where I'm gonna cut the crease, kind of sort of. So I'm just placing that eyeshadow right there. Okay. So I'm going with this little tiny brush. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's very small, and softening that edge, bringing back some of that blue because now it just looks dark. I'm placing that right on top with that same fluffy brush from earlier, taking off all the excess pigment, just really sealing the deal. Oh wait, hopefully I'm in focus and in frame. If not, then you already know, I apologize. Okay, top eyeshadow is done. I think it looks fine. Yeah, it's fine. We're going to be cutting the crease. I'm just going to use any foundation. I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me one, the matte and poreless, to be cutting my crease today. I always cut my crease with this. I always do everything with this. So, except I might need something that's a little bit more pigmented. Nah, this is fine. Okay, so I'm using something that's a bit more, you know, thick and rich in pigment. And I'm going to be using the eyeshadow primer base on like a smaller flat brush. Hopefully this doesn't flip me over. Everything is turning blue. Alright, so in the middle of her eye, she had yellow. So I'm going to put yellow in the middle. I don't know what yellow. Let's try this one. It's too yellow. So I'm going in with the one from Morphe. Yeah. On the very outer edge, like very inner edge, I'm gonna put red, just like packing it on right there, like that. I think that's all I'm gonna put, just like that. Yeah, and then I'm gonna, oh no, sorry, my sister says sorry all weird. Taking that orange from the Morphe palette and putting that right next to the red. Okay, blending the red into the orange, blending the orange into the yellow, and then going back in with the orange, putting that on the outside right here, just like that, all the way to the edge, and keeping that excess on just in case we need to blend it out. Putting the yellow that way, pulling the yellow this way, pulling the yellow into the orange, like that. And then taking the red, putting that right on the very outer edge. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna have a little wing moment. I need that to be more red. And going back in with that orange, blending that into the red. This might fuck me over. And line that. I'm basically going into my hairline, boys. I like it. So we're just gonna pop up a shimmery shade in the middle, and for that we're gonna use Tidal Wave. No, Pineapple from the Flamingo palette. It's this yellow one. And putting that in the middle because I want glitter. I just realized I have to do the other eye. I really don't want to. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to add gold liner, and as usual I will be doing my gold liner with the Kat Von D gold body and face gel. Where are we putting this gold liner, you ask? Right above there, because I hate that line. I don't like it. I need there to be like something dividing it. Don't forget to breathe when you're doing your eyeliner. I always forget. Ooh, that looks nice. I don't know if it looks good on camera, but in person, not half bad. Alright, cool. As usual, we are lining our eyes. No wing, just lining them. Alright, lashes, we're using the big dramatic ones that I always use. F008 is the style that we will be using today. And Bikini Bottom, I'm with Sandy. Oh, I probably sounded so gross. I hate when my voice sounds like that. Sound like a man. So not raspy, like raspy. Not raspy, but like groggy. It's gross. My song of the day. Alright, so I put the lashes on. I still need to do the bottom, but I'll do that when I do this eye and do the lashes on that eye. Oh, I just got foundation over my hand. Oh, that's gross. But we can do the bottom lash line once I have like my face done. Like my face base done. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to do this eye. I really don't want to do this eye, but I have to. Okay, so I'm going to do this eye. And then I'm going to do my foundation, and then we'll do the rest together. Alright? Cool. See you in a bit. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Okay, so I'm back. Here's the top of the eyes. One is bigger than the other. One eye is more raised. This one is. Just pretend you don't see that. Anyway, we're gonna do the bottom of our eyes now. Okay. So for the bottom of our eyes, we're just gonna use yellow and orange, because we got a lot going on upstairs. So we'll just keep the bottom, you know, the downstairs area, to a minimum. And then on the other side, using the clean fluffy brush, smoking that out, and then just have it disappear, because it's literally what it did. Oh my gosh, that looks, it's not that intense in person, guys, just no need to worry. Some on my chin, Cupid's bow on my cheeks, of course. Other cheek. Inner corner. Okay. On a little tiny little pencil brush like so, we're gonna just put highlight on the inner corner. And highlight, obviously I'm using the Amrezy highlight. For lipstick, we're gonna use this one by Vibe Beauty. In the mirror. In the shade Glace. It's like a little, the crayon stick. Crayon thing. It doesn't match, but it's fine. I'm gonna eat anyway, so I'll be fine. Alright, that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched all the way through, I appreciate you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Tina, if Tina ever comes across this, I love you. and I hope you're having a great time wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching again, and stay rad, my friends. See you guys soon.
What happened to finish the heart?
That was so weird. I went, bye.
What happened to finish the heart?
Finish the heart. There. Are you happy?
Yes.
Finish the heart for me.